Just make it not so noticeable, right? Okay. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me by way of KINKY's debit card. And before I get into this look right here, just know Outre did not come to play when it came to the kinky edges. Careful, she didn't come like this. So make sure you keep on watching so you can see how I got this wig together and maybe you can try it too. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Listen, we are kicking off Black History Month with the texture. This is the brand new Outre Melted Hairline Unit Kinky Soft Edges. I got it in the style Kinky Soft 2 in 16 inches and the color number 2. So let's go ahead and get this unwrapped out the pack. Let's cut that tag off. Made to match textured edges. Made to match textured edges. I'm assuming that means it's gonna match my natural edges. Y'all know I barely got them, so we're gonna see. This is what the inside of the card looks like. You give a little introduction into the unit as well as what they offer. Kinky textured soft to touch edges, pre-plugged hairline and sideburns, soft HD transparent lace, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, fast, easy and effortless glueless installs, redesigned comfort fit ear contour, and salon inspired styles. This looks like it's gonna be a lot of hair.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
It also comes in special colors, so if you guys wanna check those out, you can. Is that a gray? It's not gray. It's that blonde color. Okay. Fast, easy, and effortless. Okay. So we're gonna see, Outre, if that's, you know, if that's the case. So this is how it's looking out the pack. Good grief. The edges are soft, but they also, it's a lot. I mean, okay, we're gonna try to brush them back, but goodness gracious, it's definitely giving a line and then edges. If you want a realistic look, you may have to do some plucking on this one, because when I brush it back, that's how it's looking. They are soft, but comparing this to this, two different textures. But oh, wait a minute. Got these rollers in here. Okay. Down here it feels a little bit more textured. On top it feels a little, kind of like a silky yaki. It's only a middle part unit, so don't expect a bunch of parting space. We're gonna see how it's gonna look once I put it on, if I can tweeze anything. You get the two combs on the sides, the attached elastic band, with the comb in the back and the adjustable straps. Let's go ahead and just get this wig prepped and ready to go. I'm just using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. And I'm going to tap that all around my hairline before I tweeze her, or before I pull any hair out. We'll see what's easier. Excuse my kids yelling upstairs. They playing cops and robbers or something. I don't know. They playing something. Hold up. Let me see if this is gonna fit on my head. Y'all know I am 23 gang gang. Get that around the back. I'm gonna pull this forward. It doesn't look as thick as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it's definitely given. She pulled all that hair to the front. Y'all know how we be doing, okay, when we do this. Just looking at the density of this hair compared to what it's looking like on her, mine looks a little thinner. Maybe when I brush it out, it'll look a little thicker. These edges are kind of a little tangly. Why are they tangling? They have like snags on them. That's a little different. All right, so that's how it's looking over there. You gotta pluck that. I mean, let's see how much we can do. I mean, I can't pull out too much, you know, because of how this is sitting. Let's just try to pull it with my fingers. May need to use some of my edges to blend it. Take your time with this one, because synthetic hair is a little bit harder to pull out. I do not want to put a hole in my wig. Even though I am cutting that piece off, I don't want to put a hole in it so far back that it kind of messes up what I am leaving on the wig. Nope, that's too much. I had to get my tweezers to get the rest of that. Listen, for Black History Month, I should be sitting my hind parts down, not doing all this work. Because there's a track right behind here, you're gonna see that. So I'm gonna need to use my makeup to kind of blend that in a bit. Get some of this hair out front. I think that's it for the plucking. Let's go ahead and get the lace cut off. Using a razor, take your time. Gonna use my Nairobi mousse around my edges to lay it down. This is a mold, not a hold, okay? If you lift it, it will come up. Now, if you wanna wear this wig out the pack, how it was, you can definitely do that. But I wanted to get back into, you know, styling my wigs. Y'all know I used to do that all the time where I would change up the look of a wig and y'all would tell me they should put you on the card. But as you can see, they're now trying to style their wigs a lot more for these synthetic wig brands. So I like to think a lot of the new inspiration for these wig companies came from YouTube and us styling our wigs. All right, let's wrap it down. Oh, ooh, ow. Not too shabby. Let me get my fill me in pen. Is black or brown? That is brown. Here we go. Bring the hairs down where I may want them. I'm gonna cut that a little bit shorter. Ease it up. I'm using my Eco Styler gel. I'm just gonna tap some right here on the sides just to bring some of that back and lay some of that hair down. If you want your gel to be tacky, leave it open for a little bit. Let the air get into it. Then you can use it to kind of hold the lace down a little bit as well. Let me bring some of that back. I don't want it to be a line, so that's why I'm being careful with how much I'm pulling back and pushing down. There's a little bit of my contour shade. This is the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Katsina. Put some on a fluffy brush, tap some of that off. I'm just gonna go around my edges, make sure I get that line of demarcation off, like that. Kind of look up, you can see that line. Get up under there, so when you look down, it kind of disappears. And this is just an e.l.f. brush, like a little fluffy brush. The words are kind of disappearing. e.l.f. blending brush. Bring that down like so. Hold up. I kind of put too much right there, so it's creating a line. So use my hair and scalp whites, just right here. Get some of that off of there. There we go. Before I brush it out, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high and warm and flatten this out up here. Keep on brushing the curls till I get them how I want them. See, bringing all the hair to the front is still not as thick as that other one, but I ain't gonna worry about it. Get my curls right. Use my pressed powder again on my parting space right in here. Clean that up a bit. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, maybe I like to flip over more. Yeah, if the wig is not working right, just flip it over. You can't wear those shoes. It's business casual, Jay. Now for this little part right here, you can see that line. So what I'm gonna do, take some of that pressed powder and try to break that up a little bit using a flat brush. Just right in here. Just kind of open it up so it's not as straight. Y'all see what I did? And then just kind of, you know, brush it in a little bit because the track starts here. So you gotta just make it not so noticeable, right? Okay, and this is a brush that I use. Okay, it's like a little angled flat brush. This came with my hair fetish eraser kit, but I'm pretty sure you can find that brush, you know, where makeup brushes are sold. I am gonna use my, whatchamacallit, my fill me in right here. That's where the lace is. I just wanna fill that in a bit. Just tap it on there. Use the sponge side to fill that in. And we are done. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Let me show y'all that card again. Hold up, where's she at? Where is it? This is what I got, but I decided to flip her over for this look. I like it better. You may be able to style it out the pack if you brush your edges back because they do brush pretty easy and they are soft. Okay, I'll give them that. But the hairline is just really thick. So you're not exactly gonna get the look like this without doing the work that I did. And before you ask me, this is a synthetic wig. That means she's not here for a long time, she's here for a good time. You are not sleeping in this wig and doing too much in this wig if you want your wigs to last a long time. Now there are products you can use. I use the Esha products to wash my wigs, the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. Yes, you can blow dry these wigs, but use a round brush, a paddle brush to do that. If your curls start to fall or tangle, use a roller, not this Velcro one, but a roller. You can use finger rods, or not finger rods, flexi rods to wrap the curls and then dunk them in hot water to kind of bounce the curls back. I'm pretty sure this wig is heat safe as well. Yes, high techs up to 400 degrees. So you can also curl this wig. I don't curl my synthetic wigs. I know some people that do, that's just not my ministry. This is what I do. Did you miss me. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.